Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Divine Guidance, a 44 card oracle deck and guidebook by Cheryl Lee Harnish. If that name sounds familiar to you, she has a couple of other decks that are available as well. I believe this is her second deck. And she is a YouTuber who does pick a card readings, and she is fantastic. So if you have a chance, check her out. I will link everything down in the description box below should you be interested in any of those things or purchasing. This retails for $19.99, I believe. And as always, down the description box below, there will be the links. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So let's get into it. Walking our path in life isn't always easy. There are times when we need explanation and understanding about what is occurring in our lives or direction as to where we are heading. This high vibrational deck connects to the heart of the reader, providing meaningful and useful guidance. More than just a tool for divination, the cards aid in developing and strengthening our intuition and our personal connection to our guides. Divine Guidance is the follow-up deck from the author of the best-selling Path of the Soul Destiny cards, which have proven themselves for their accuracy and heartfelt messages. All right, let's get into it. Packaging is great. It's sturdy box. I love the little spot for the thumbs. Okay. There's a little guidebook. Okay, just want to see real fast. Okay, yay, we do have a table of contents and a page for each card. And then how to use the deck, what are fractals, and the fractals are what the images are. And then readings and spreads, and then we go into the card meanings. So let's just take a look. Alrighty. Think of this guidebook as an assistant to help you get started in understanding the deck. All energy contains information, and the fractal images in this deck are a very high vibration, and they emanate a lot of energy. That means that there is also a lot of information in each image as well, much more actually than what is contained in this booklet. As you work with the deck and become familiar with its energy, you'll find that you will naturally begin intuitively picking up additional messages and meanings from the cards. We are meant to develop our intuition, and that is one of the beautiful side effects of working with a highly energized deck. Trust yourself in whatever information or messages that may come to you. It was created to help you connect to your own intuition and to aid you in receiving divine guidance for yourself directly from source. So you can use the cards for meditation and prayer, and to aid and help raise and shift your vibration. And then you can place a card near where you sleep at night, use the energy of the images. Let's see, discover yourself how you can discover for yourself how your aura expands from fractal energy and simple dowsing tools. Okay. There's some readings and spreads here. We have the Divine Guidance spread, upcoming 3 card, and then the meanings. Okay. So this is not going to be like every mass-produced deck. It is going to be filled with fractal energy or fractal images. So there's the back of this deck. It is a high gloss, so you can see with the ring light there. And it is a typical oracle size, I'll say. There aren't going to be any keywords. It's just strictly a number and then the images. And then of course, after this, we will shuffle, we will pull a card, and we will read from the guidebook. Oh, this one's so pretty. But as you can see, the fractal expands and grows out. If you've ever watched any of her readings, she uses her own decks, and it's fantastic. That's actually how I discovered this deck. And this will definitely enhance your intuitive skills, because again, there are no keywords. There's nothing on here to indicate exactly what this card's energy is about. Let's see the yin and the yang there. Oh, these look like little flower blossoms as well as candy. Looks like a very sweet card. And you can utilize the numbers on each card too, for numerology, for master numbers, anything like that too. Okay, so I know this is weird, but this reminds me of the Millennium Falcon shape. I can't unsee it. And this deck might not be for everyone, but I am excited to start working with it. It's been on my list for a while. In fact, I want to get all of her other decks too, because it is so interesting and unlike anything that I have in my collection. It also reminds me of, and I may be aging myself, but do you remember the music player that would come with Windows XP? And whenever you played a CD or any type of music that you had on your computer, it would play against all of these different fractal imageries on the screen. Let me know in the comment section if you have experienced that or if you know what I'm talking about, because that is exactly what this is reminding me of. Windows XP. Oh man, we really thought that that was the epitome of like high tech. Because we were so over Windows 98. Oh my gosh. I am so aging myself. This one's so pretty. This reminds me of a orchid. So pretty. And like maybe a little lady in there as well. Ooh. This looks like a rose. Very interested to see what the guidebook has to say. That is stunning. Ooh, the spiraling. I love this. I feel like if you meditated with these cards, you'd kind of get lost in it. And that's a good thing for me, at least. I need things that will hold my attention. Oh, I love it. Reminds me of the third eye. Oh, that looks like a cat. A Kit Kat right there in the tip. I love this. It reminds me of the Magic Eye illustrations too, from the early 2000s, late 90s, where you try to like look it up if you're too young. But they are images within an image. And this I see like a lion's face. And at 33. Ooh. That's so pretty. I think for me, this will be more of a personal deck that I use. I don't know if I would use it for clients. Not yet anyway. I want to get really familiar with the deck. But it definitely feels very personal. Almost intimate in a way. That's pretty too. Almost like a chandelier. I love all the different colors. And no card is the same. Everything seems different and in their own forms. There's the cover. All right, let's see how they shuffle. First of all, did we talk about the cardstock? I don't think we did. It is nice. It is definitely not super thin, but it isn't super thick. Like I said, it's that gloss. So there's going to be that protective coating that will help it snap back. I don't have an issue with the cardstock quality at all. Oh yeah, it shuffles just fine. I don't have an issue. Oh yeah. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, this one caught my eye. All right, so we're going to read for number 25 here. More spirals. Okay. So we're going to look at our table of contents, and this card is called Cellular Healing. Oh, and on the bottom corner, you can actually see where your card is. That's awesome. So right there, you can flip right to it without even looking at the table of contents. I love that little detail. Okay, so first of all, I am very happy that there's like a card name for it in the guidebook, so that helps me connect to it a little bit more. But it does look like a cell now that you look at it. All right, it says each cell within our body is a unique individual organism, and each cell has memory. You have drawn this card because there are changes taking place on a cellular level. The vibrant green energy surrounding the cell in the image, aha, nice, denotes healing, either of a physical or energetic nature. If it is on an energetic level, the healing energy moving through you is helping to release old cellular memories that your body is holding. On the physical level, you can expect to feel more energized and renewed as your body returns to its natural state of health. Oh my goodness. I said it was a lion guide. All right. Flipping through here, absolutely great. I love all the different names and ways of using this card. It can be used for confirmation for your tarot cards. It can be a daily pull. It could be a meditation. It can be, using on the spreads that is contained in here. There's just a lot of different ways of using this. Very positive feeling, very intimate feeling, at least for me. I don't know if it comes across intimate for you guys, but it's definitely a beautiful deck. The quality is there, and I don't even think I told you who it was published by, because I don't see, it says Fractal Art, but that's something I think that's different. So maybe it is independently published. Either way, Oh, no, that's, oh, here it is. Soul Vibes Metaphysical. All right. So with that being said, I would love to know what you guys think about this deck down in the comment section below. Have you heard of Cheryl Lee Harnish? Have you seen her decks before? Have you watched her YouTube videos? I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.